The light on my ceiling fan went quite dim. Got a new light bulb and it's also dim. This hasn't ever happened before. I've been here almost 3 years.
Hello and thank you for using this service. More than likely the watt limiter on the light assembly has gone bad. Most newer ceiling fans use a watt limiter for the light assembly. They go bad and then that happens. It is the little black box when you pull down the light assembly. Go to any hardware store and they should have one, or just bypass and wire directly to the lights instead of through the watt limiter. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.